fantastic conditions at the moment, my friend. Yourself?
Roger there, Mark. Well, it seems to be the bank's staying open for some reason, I don't know, and on the track you're doing a mighty fine job. For sure. Considering on the working conditions here, I'm using the ST-101 Bravos, 204 on the Yagi, and about 100 whiskies at the moment. The microphone's just a standard microphone. The location, I'm in the city of Bunbury, Bravo Uniform November, Bravo Uniform Romeo Yankee. About 180 kilometres south of the capital of Perth there, Mark. So back to you, my friend, 554-029.
Okay, 554-28029. Yeah, fantastic conditions. The working conditions at the moment, I'm using a 1.2 metre vertical on the tractor cab, and the transceiver's an Emperor Shogun transceiver, very similar to a President Lincoln, and the amplifier will be by Zetagi, the Bravo 550 amplifier, so I'm really chuffed actually to make the trip. Fantastic really from a mobile station. 554-029, back to you, my friend.
Acknowledging Alberto, the 224. Stand by, Alberto. Yeah, no worries there, Mark. You can give yourself a pat on the back, my friend, because it's certainly working mighty fine. We had any problems whatsoever. Crystal clear audio. On the signal at this stage there, Mark, so it's certainly a credit to you. We had any problems whatsoever. Okay, I'll put it back to you. As I said, many stations calling. It's got a very busy bit afternoon trying to pull stations out this week. Just quite, which is quite good. 029.
Yeah, no problem at all, 029. Imagine you've got many stations calling you there. So all the bands seems to be open for you. I'm going to wish you 73s. And have a very nice rest of the evening down under there. 554-029. All the best, my friend, 73s.
Yeah, okay, Mark, no problem. If you ever hear me in there again, mate, by all means, put out a call and give us a shout. Well, briefly, Mark, all the very best to the family. You take care, and we'll listen out for you again. 26 Charlie Tango 554. cheers for now.
26 Charlie Tango 956, 26 Charlie Tango 956, standing by.
Good morning, Alberto.